Looking good is good business, as it says. Dressing says a lot about your being, and quality makes your life beautifully wonderful. Muda fashion is the end of discussion. Quality sunajang attraction even totally susike the fashion. They speak of your elegance in reality. Men and women support the gender equality. Muda fashion has them in colors: blue, green, yellow, red, all shades of it. Muda fashion gives you designers and they deliver to you across every angle of motherland Nigeria. Muda fashion is located at number 508 Amma Plaza Kadu, that's Amadu Bello Way along Next Cash and Carry in Abuja, or text them on the WhatsApp number 09075999954, or kindly place your order online at Muda Fashion. Muda Fashion is the best. Your satisfaction is our paramount concern.